Where does the name for Cathays come from? So today I'm in Cardiff, Caerdydd, and the area that I'm in now is called Cathays. Let's get into the name. Cathays first appeared in records in 1699 as Cathays, and was the name for an area of common land roughly where Cathays Park is now. The second half looks like a descendant of the Old English word hara, which means a park or an enclosure, but the first half is a bit more mysterious. There are two plausible theories for the first half. One is that it's from the Welsh word cad, meaning a battle, and the other is that it's from the Old English cat, meaning a wild cat. I think it's most likely cat, as if it's cad, it would be Cathays perhaps, and this mixing of Old English and Welsh elements would be a bit unusual for the area, but not entirely impossible. Furthermore, I can't find any evidence or record of a battle in Cathays either. Interestingly, the word cat has a fascinating etymology. It was borrowed ultimately from Latin catus, meaning a cat, but with an unknown origin itself. It was quite possibly borrowed from a language of Africa or the Middle East, such as Nubian kadi, meaning a cat, or Arabic qit, meaning a cat or a tomcat, or perhaps classical Syriac katu, which meant a cat as well. Now, the Welsh name that you hear for this area is Owain Ddyfal. What does that mean? The area known as Cathays now was known in Welsh as Owain Ddyfal, literally the constant moor, and in English as Little Heath to differentiate it from Great Heath, which is just heath now. In medieval times, Cathays was the northern limit of Cardiff and was mostly farmland. The first Marquis of Bute, John Stewart, inherited the land here following a marriage to Charlotte Hickman Windsor in the 1790s, who then built a large house and park here, Cathays House and Cathays Park respectively. Following the building of the dock, the area was built up further in the late 1800s and early 1900s. It is now largely known for its student population due to its proximity to the university. So the name literally means, I think, the enclosure abound with cats, the enclosure with the cats in it. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.